come on, look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, like you supply, all like tires. Look, it's a surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebun. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You are welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Please do so. We're growing fast. But yeah, today's video is going to be all about this hair install. It's a 6x6 bob wig, and I've wanted to get this hair for the longest. I've just been saving the money for it, and now when I was able to get it, I was like, I have to get this because I haven't actually owned a proper bob wig. Like, the bob wigs I've owned was a long wig which I decided to cut, which is like a wannabe kind of wig, but this is original, authentic bob wig originally, and I'm just so happy with my first bob wig. It's making me so happy. Like, my mood has just changed, like from touching this hair, unboxing this hair, installing this hair. It's just so great, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. The name of the company is Queenlocks. I'm going to put the website in the description box and the Instagram handle on the screen. Please check them out. Please do check them out. I love this hair so much. There's an announcement at the end of this video, so stay tuned. And thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I'm so happy. If you guys are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, it's kind of still glueless because I can just pull it off right now. I just used the black I just used this just a little in front to hold it, but that's pretty much it. It's 6x6, which gives that frontal vibe, but it's still a closure. But yeah, I'm super happy with this purchase, and I do not regret anything at all. It's not shedding. I didn't even style this hair, to be honest. You guys have seen the video, but yeah, if it's something you guys are interested, please be interested. Not even if be interested, and watch this video and leave comments and like this video. Oh, I can't get enough of myself. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, just get into this video. Let me not talk too much at this intro.
Now you want to spend more time with me. Do you want to be my wife, baby?
So like I said before, this wig is from Queenlocks Hair. They're based in US, and I'm loving, gosh, this texture is, I feel like you have to feel it before you can understand what I'm saying. Like, it's so great. It's so amazing. It's just exactly what I wanted, how I wanted it. I didn't want anything too long, like rubbing off on my shoulder. Because it's summer, it's hot, I just wanted something just very short and very nice. It's a 6x6 closure wig, and I just like it because it's not a frontal, so I don't have to worry. It gives that frontal vibe, but it's still a closure. So do you get, I'm getting best of both worlds. I'm loving this wig, honestly. The texture is everything. Like, literally how it came out, I can actually like wear it and go, which is basically kind of like what I'm going to do now, because I'm actually going somewhere at the moment. Like, I can't even just stop touching it. It's so amazing, and it smells so nice. Oh my gosh. So it came in this box, and yeah, because of obviously like delivery and everything, UPS, that's why it's kind of broken, but never mind how the box is looking like. It came in this box. It has, one thing I love, it has that storage bag where I can store the wig. It also came with an elastic band for security. It has this paper where they have the details. I'll put the link to the website and details, Instagram on the screen right now. I'll put the link to their website in the description box, so you guys please check them out. Like, this is not paid. This is not promotion. I bought it with my own money, and I'm super excited. That's why I'm giving them a shout out. And then at the back, it has this hair care stuff to help you care for your hair. Yeah, thank you for your order. It's so amazing. I'm super excited with how it looks. It's just it's so perfect. I'm going to do like a glueless install, nothing too serious. I decided to do my makeup off camera just so this video can be fast, because I'm actually going somewhere right now. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I literally have to do nothing. I don't have to pluck, I don't have to bleach.
Kilimanjaro.
It's so beautiful. I love the lace in front. Look how everything is looking. And I love the color. I didn't want a black wig because I already have too many black wigs, so I wanted something different. Look at the movements. Just look at the movements, you guys. And yeah, I forgot to mention, it actually came with this wig cap as well to help you protect your edges. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let's just, you know, get into installing this wig because I cannot wait to have it fit on my head. You guys, this is it. Like, I literally just put it on. I've not done anything to it, but look how it's looking. It's so pretty. You guys are going to see this wig, and I'm definitely going to get another one, but maybe in plain black, just so, because this one I'm wearing it every time, everybody will know because the color. But it's so beautiful, you guys. Like, I cannot even, like, the texture and everything, the way it's sitting pretty on my head. I'm super excited with this purchase. No regrets, and it came within like a week, kind of like, yeah, kind of a week from the US. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I've not straightened it or anything, but it looks amazing. This is just straight out of the box, you guys. This is straight out of the box. I'm really hyping this hair because I actually genuinely love this wig. Like, I'm so excited. I'm going to take a break from my curly hair. I'm sure you guys are even tired from seeing that my curly wig up and down. I'm even tired of wearing it for so long. This is going to be my new baby. This is going to be my new baby. I'm not going to straighten or anything because it already looks so good, honestly, and this just saved me a lot of time. I'm just going to cut the lace now and put this wax stick just at the front part of it. It already came, you know, I wanted a side part. I could always switch it up, and look how big this closure is, the 6x6 closure, and that's really what I wanted. Something I can just wear to go. I don't have to worry about straightening or whatever, and this is just perfect. And I know this elastic band is for wig security, but honestly I don't need it because it's already very tight enough. Like, it's just perfect. Not tight giving me headache, but like tight fit, like very fit already. So you guys already know this hot comb, so that's what I'm just going to use for the front of it, because like, even it's not even looking. This is so good. I'm so excited. You guys already know my favorite hot comb. I love that it's black.
Look, it's a surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love it when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise on me. My little baby go ride on me. Maria.
That's literally all I'm going to do. So right now I'm just going to cut off the lace in front. I'll do that off camera because I can't really do that right now. Let me just go and do that and I'll get back to you guys.
Every time we meet every time be like Maria. Every time when I look up at me, every time when I look up at me, every time when I look up at me, every time when I look up at me. She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro, Kiliman, oh. Nah, she no island girl.
So while I wait for this band to sit on my hair for 5 minutes, just want to thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I didn't take it for granted. I'm so happy. You know, I wanted to hit this milestone before the end of July, or by the end of July, and literally July 31st in the morning I got the 500th person subscribed to my channel, and I was so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. So the giveaway I've been promising you guys is finally here. So yeah, I've not really decided, but I know for sure that I'm going to do a giveaway very soon. So just get ready. And guess what? This hair is going to be one of the giveaways. There are going to be 2 winners. And yeah, I kind of have an idea. So let me just tell you guys, there are going to be 2 winners. One person is going to win this wig, but then you have to be either in US or Canada, not Nigeria, because I'm not going to ship, except you want to cover the cost of the shipping of the wig. That's fine. That's on you. But yeah. And the second person is going to get a cash giveaway. So those are the 2 things I'm going to give away. I'm still going to come up with the rules and everything, so you guys stay tuned. I'm going to make the announcement very soon. But I love this hair so much, I want to give it to one of you guys, so you guys can enjoy this beauty, this gorgeousness, this, I don't even know what to say. Oh my gosh. God is good, and my parents too. This is beauty. This is beauty. But honestly, I love this wig. Honestly, like it is so good. It is so easy to install. No stress, nothing. Like literally, I'm not straightening except the hot comb I just put for the front. But aside that, I didn't straighten it. Nothing. Just the hot comb in front, just for this this pattern, and I didn't straighten it. Nothing. This is straight out of the box. I didn't bleach it. I didn't have to do anything. This is just life made easy. Honestly, like you can grab and go literally. And guess what? It's not even shedding. Like I've been running my hands through it all through this morning when I opened it, because I unboxed it. The first time I was seeing it was the first time you guys were seeing it as well. Well, you guys have already seen it before, you guys. Sorry, but yeah, when I pulled up my camera to record the unboxing, that was literally the first time I was opening it as well. So I'm really happy with this purchase. You guys go check them out, please. I'm going to leave the website and everything in the description box, the Instagram on the screen. And if you've been watching, you've not subscribed to my channel, you're the problem. Yeah, part of the, you're just always watching. Why can't you just click that subscribe button? They are not. What if we're paying? That means I will be my only subscriber. So if we're paying to subscribe, you guys will never subscribe. So you guys, please, oh yeah, for real, please. Okay, if you've been watching constantly and you've not subscribed yet, in the comment section type the reason why. Let me even know what is going on. Is there something you guys want me to improve on or whatever? But just apart, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. The giveaway is going to be even bigger. But yeah, I said I'm going to celebrate every win. Like I said in one of my videos, I'm going to celebrate every win and every 100th subscribers. So like when I get 600, 700, 800, but there's always a giveaway until we get to 1,000. So I said before, when we get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway, and that's what I'm actually going to do. Probably in the next video I would announce the entire rules and everything, so you guys can enjoy. One person will walk away with this wig. You guys need this wig in your life. Look how it transformed my face. Oh my gosh, that curly hair is going to get a long break and rest from me. But yeah, I think it's pretty much done now. Let me open this up. Every time we meet up, every time we lie, Maria. Now you want to spend more time with me. Do you want to be my wife, baby? So this is the final look, and I'm so loving this wig. This wig is super amazing. This wig is, I don't know, I think I've talked about this wig a lot already in this video, to the extent that I'm going to give one away to somebody. So I'm loving it, the movement, the everything. It still shocked me that I didn't have to straighten. I didn't straighten this wig. I've not touched it, except the wax stick I put here at the hot comb that you guys saw. But literally, like, look how my hands, if your wig is not moving like this, your wig is just a wannabe. I don't know what to tell you. But you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I'm loving it. This is going to be my new baby, and I'm definitely going to order more wigs from them. So let me get ready to do my outro right now. I'm going to wear, I think I'll probably wear one of my Shein earrings that I'm sure you guys would have seen that video by now. Every time I look up me, like it's a blast, all the tires. Looking so surprised, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be. So guys, this is the end of this video. Look how I'm looking. I decided to put on this earring, you know. If you guys have seen my Shein haul, it's there. And my mom and my sister actually commented that, hey, I won't be earrings for the first time. So this is the second time. I'm going to shock them, you know. At least let me use my purchase properly. But I really love how this is looking. I'm so happy. I'm sure you guys can already tell, like, I'm full of joy. This hair is giving me joy. It's giving me joy. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. Plus my 500 subscribers, over 500. Well, like 504 right now. Ooh. Okay, I've mentioned around too much in this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. For subscribing. For those of you that have not subscribed, I'd go and get your thank you somewhere else. please, you should subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, for watching this video. I'm so happy, and I don't even know what I'm saying, but my beauty is shocking me. Like, it's like, girl. Anyway, I have somewhere to go. Let me just close out this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave comments down below. Like I always say, I always reply to all my comments, so don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I'll be sure to reply, and stay tuned for the giveaway announcement. I mean it, I'm going to do it. There are going to be 2 winners, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And until next time, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. What's wrong? Okay, now for real. Bye.
Pretty girl like a Maria, Maria, yeah, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time we lie, Maria.